Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a free HDR effect in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut mobile application and I'm going to create a free HDR effect for this video. First thing first, I'm going to go to the effect menu and I'm going to choose video effect and we're going to search for the sharpen edges. You have to search for this effect. Okay, and then you can choose this one guys, sharpen edges. Okay, and to make it more natural or to make it looks better, you can go to the adjust and then you can adjust the effect to get the best look. So for instance, I'm going to customize the range. I'm just going to reduce it like this, and then for the filter I'm going to make it 0 and I'm going to increase the sharpen effect. Okay, just like so, and you can customize it as you like guys until you get the look that you want. Okay, and this is the result, and you can apply it to all part of your video like that, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a free HDR effect in CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.